Hello everybody. In this video, we're going to show you how to install Visual Studio Code in Windows 11. Let's get started. First, you're going to go to Google and type Install Visual Studio Code. Then you're going to click on the first one. Click on the arrow. Then click on Windows 64. Wait for the download to complete, then open it and install it. Visual Studio Code is now installed successfully. Thank you for watching.